Hey y'all, so we are going to move into talking about a portable electric drill. Because of the fact that I'm not actually drilling with it, I'm not gonna put my hair up, but when I do begin drilling, then you will see me with my hair up. So for the time being, we're gonna talk about the different parts and how to work this drill. So when you're looking over your notes, and it may even be a question on your test about this, all of the drills that we have do not have a power cord. They have a rechargeable battery. And give me 1 second. If you can see the closet right over there that's open, that's where we keep all of our electric drills, and we have surge protectors to plug up our batteries, and we keep our batteries plugged up in there. So you charge the battery and then you snap it in. It literally snaps like a puzzle piece. So with that being said, our drills have a couple different settings and a couple different uses, but just for the purpose of an electric drill. All right, y'all, so we are going to move into talking about a portable electric drill. I have two types here that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you one a little bit more than the other, just for the fact that we are going to use it a lot more than the one shown on your notes, which is this one. It's a little bit of an older version. However, we do still have some. So this is what's shown on your notes, and it has a cord. We don't typically use ones with cords that often anymore. For one, the cords can be a hazard sometimes. So we also have one that just has a rechargeable battery in it, and it's a lot easier to use. However, it is heavier. So we're going to talk about the parts of this. I'm going to try to compare it to the other one. The other one is a little bit different. This one you can only use to drill, whereas the battery operated, we can screw, and it has like a jackhammer on it. But for the purposes of this video, you are just going to be using the portable electric drill. So with that being said, we're going to start off with the first thing here, which I guess I need to turn around. So this right here is called the switch lock, and it will lock it in place. This is called the reversing switch. I'll show you on this one. So this one does not have a switch lock because the reversing switch actually locks itself. Obviously you have an electric cord on this one and a battery on the other. Sorry, this one's a little bit new to me. So this right here is the cord strain reliever, so it keeps the cord from straining and there being issues. Then you have this one does not have a piston grip that I believe, except this right here. This is the piston grip, sorry. I'm telling y'all, this one, the corded one is way new to me. I never even had this one in school. This right here is called the trigger switch. So I'll show you on this one. This one, it's a trigger switch. Trigger switch is a little bit different on this one. It's a little bit harder to push on, I think. And then of course you have your piston grip here. This one does not have the chuck wrench that is shown in the picture, and this does not have a chuck wrench. Then we talked about the reversing switch, and this right here that you push in, this piece is called a chuck. And on this one, you don't necessarily push it in because you have the chuck wrench, but this is the chuck. All right, I hope that made sense. I am going to show you how to put in a drill bit into this and how to take it out, and then I'm going to show you drilling a hole. But I do not have a hair bow today, so I'm not going to put my hair up. I'm just going to pull it back and out of my way so it doesn't get stuck. But I'm going to go get some safety glasses, and I'll meet y'all in the shop. All right, y'all, so as I said, I don't have a hair bow, but once we're in school and you're in the shop, I will be keeping a pack of hair bows in here for myself and for you girls or guys that need a hair bow. to pull your hair back because we don't want to get anybody's hair chopped off. I'm not always going to make you wear gloves because we don't have enough gloves to go around for everyone. So the purpose of this, I'm not going to make you wear gloves, but whenever you're in the shop, you must be wearing safety glasses. I know that safety glasses are not the most fashionable, and I know that they don't make your selfies look good, but you shouldn't be on your phone anyway in here. And we have to protect our eyes because we only get one set of eyes, sorry. And if you're wearing glasses, you still have to wear safety glasses, because that was something I always like thought was so crazy when I was in school and my ag teacher made me wear safety glasses. But you gotta wear them. You gotta keep those eyeballs working. So I am gonna pull my hair back and in my sweatshirt for the time being, so that I don't get it caught, because this will catch it. So first I'm going to show you how to add a drill bit in here and take one out. Then I'm going to use this piece of wood and drill a hole in it. So we have different sets, different sizes of drill bits. Okay, I hope nothing happened. All right, so we do have different sizes of drill bits. We have almost any size that you could think of, even some smaller ones in the closet. So with that being said, we have these, all these sizes. I'm just gonna pick a random size so that you can see. I'll use this one. So what you're gonna do is that reversing switch controls what this chuck does. So we're gonna push the chuck in and you can see that it gets smaller. That hole right there gets smaller. But if I reverse it and push the chuck in, it gets wider. So we need it to be wide enough to fit this drill bit. Actually might have to drill it in a little bit more. I'm using the video to be able to see it. All right, so now that we got it where it fits, I'm gonna hold this chuck in and make it smaller. But you have to be super, super careful when you're doing this and not to burn your hand or hurt yourself. So I'm just gonna do it slowly. All right, so we can't move it, we can't do anything, we can't take it out, so it's in there. All right, so typically, I'm gonna pick y'all up. So typically, our shop's still a mess, but see that orange thing right there? That is a vice grip. That is what's gonna hold your project on the table so it doesn't go flying and nothing happens. But if you aren't using the table there, we do have some additional ones for you to use. So with that being said, I'm just gonna hold this very forcefully and drill this hole. Put my hair back out of my way. All right, so I'm gonna hold this in. Make sure that it is on the correct way in this drilling. So. All right, so I believe I told y'all earlier that it will get stuck once it's drilled in. We have to hit that reverse switch to drill it out. So I've got it stuck in there, drilled my hole. Now I need to drill it out. Hit the reverse switch. Now I'm gonna pull the trigger. And it's out. And you can see the hole. So with that being said, I always want you to take your drill bit out when you're finished so you can hold it, fill it out. All right, now you're gonna put this back in the closet, put the battery back in the charger. All right, bye y'all.